Hey friends, we're just gonna do a quick demo on this fiddle. Quick background of it: it actually came to be by mistake, if that makes sense. I actually ordered a different violin. The person selling it accidentally sent me this one. Well, shipping would have been a lot to flip it back and up from both ends. So anyway, I just ended up buying this one, and actually it's a real oddity. So I'll have the information in the description, but it has an odd double bass bar in there. It's been repaired by one notable violin maker, and it's also been repaired by another one. Details will be in there, but I just wanted to hear it. This violin has literally not played for probably over, I don't know, at least 18 years. We put strings on it, and here it is with Catherine, so I'll just stop talking.
Out there, y'all know the new string struggle. I hope the mic caught that. That was super cool. Now, I also have another funny story in my head that I might share with y'all if I remember. But this was my first time actually playing it with these new strings. So these are just my pure raw thoughts off the top of my head. It has we changed from, I believe, Perazzi Gold over to these steel strings, which the brand is eluding me right now, but I'm sure John will say it later. It already, just changing these strings, like, it brings out this layer of ringiness and warmth that wasn't there before. It's so cool. And when I finished that last note, all of the strings were ringing, which was wild and so cool. It was like a little jet trail of notes. It was really, really interesting to hear. And it's just a treat. It's a tasty little treat to the ears. Oh my goodness. I love how heartfelt this violin sounds. It feels very much like I'm enjoying a really yummy s'more by the campfire at night, and there's a banjo player out there playing with this, and then the fiddler playing with this violin. That's kind of the vibe that I'm getting. It's very comforting as a s'more goes, or if you don't like s'mores, then a brie s'more, which is brie cheese with all the charcuterie fixins that you just roasted over the fire. It's just, it has like such a very comforting sound. It's just so like warm and, I don't know, maybe tender is a good word to use, but it's very heartfelt. Like I can feel that there's a history with this instrument. Like there's a story here, and maybe we'll get it from the from the original owner or owners. But it just has that like very touching sound, and I love playing it. It's so beautiful. It's so heartfelt and warm. It's like an electric blanket. It's like I'm coming up with all these like thoughts in my head. Now, one thing that I think is super duper cool about this fiddle is that it has a fiddle bridge, as you can see right here. I'm gonna hold it with one hand. So it's not as like curved, but it's more flat, and it makes shuffling so easy. Like, I did not feel like a chicken flapping its wings, shuffling and doing the whole. I did not feel like a chicken. I felt like a normal fiddler. So that's a huge pro to this instrument, is that it makes that country bluegrass shuffling so much easier, and it's much easier to play double stops with this. So all that to say, this is not only is it such an interesting thing to look at, it has that warm, beautiful, comforting sound, and it just has a lot of resonance. It has, and I bet the more that you play it, the more that it gets played, the sound is just going to open up even more and more and more. So now, of course, I can only say so much. The microphone can only pick up so much. You have to come and hear this instrument yourself at Revivo Violins.
Aw, thanks for the plug, Catherine. I'm going to see if I can put you on the spot, because you played something today that you hadn't played before. We haven't played it on this violin, but the Copperhead Road theme to it might fit well. Catherine played it on a different violin, and it was a little bit eerie, but I'm going to be quiet. I want to hear just a little bit of your game. Wow, it keeps going. Anyway, this violin. Sorry, my mouth was wide open, like jaw dropped. But this violin is literally a Frankenstein. It was modified by two luthiers, or fixed by them, and it has that double bass bar, and it's a Frankenstein. But man, the music it can put out. So anyway, I'll stop talking. And Catherine, magnificent job. Thanks for listening, friends. Play on.